Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. So children, previous class we have discussed about the land feature of the earth. Yeah, children, and we have finished that topic. So let me revise whatever we finished in the previous class, then I will continue the lesson. Now tell me children, what is a hill? What is a hill? Tell me children, what is a hill? Yes, hills are much higher than plains. Hills are much higher than plains. What is a plain? What is a plain, children? Plains are flat area, flat land. Very good. The ocean and sea water is dash. Yes, it's a salty. We are living in dash planet Earth. Very good. So today children, we will take down one more new topic in the same unit, that is the sky above me. In the universe, now we learnt about the earth. Now we will see the sky above me. So children, when you stand outside, you can see the sky is too high. It is very far. You know children, above the earth, sky is very far. In that sky, we can see the moon, sun, stars, planets, all are up on high. It's too high. So from down, if you see, that it looks very small. Whatever we can see in the sky, it looks very small. But actually, these all heavenly bodies are very huge, very big. But from the far, it is very far away from us, so it looks very small. If you see the moon, it looks very small. If you see the star, it looks only dots. But actually, they are very huge heavenly bodies, not a small. They are a very big, huge heavenly bodies. Clear, children? So, noon time, we can see in the sky sun. In the night, we can see the numbers of stars are twinkling in the sky. It looks like a diamond. And we can see also moon. We can see the moon also in the sky. At night we can see that moon is silvery color. Moon looks in silvery color. Other children, and stars, they are glittering, they are shining, they are twinkling in the sky. Clear, children? So what is the color of moon here? At night we can see the moon looks silvery color and the stars are twinkling. Yeah, children? So when you stand outside, you can see the sun is very small. Will you tell me children, what is the shape of the sun? Yes, if you see the shape of the sun, it's a round. What is the shape? It's a round in shape. Yeah, children. Then we can see the numbers of stars. In the night, we can see the numbers of stars are twinkling. Yeah, children. Not only one or two. Did you count this all the stars? Those stars are uncountable. It is a millions and millions are there in the sky. So, these all stars are twinkling in the sky. And then we can see in the night silvery moon. What we can see? We can see in the night silvery moon. Yeah, the children. So in the night we can see the stars and moon. In the daytime we can see the sun and the blue color clouds. Yeah, the children, we can see the blue color clouds because the day is very sunny. The rays is very bright. So we can say it is a sunny day. Yeah, the children, when you stand outside, these all the heavenly bodies looks very, very small. Yeah, no? It looks very small. If you see the sun, it looks like a ball only, very small ball. When you see the stars in the night, it looks only dark because they are very far from us. They are very far away. They are very high. So they look very small. Yeah, the children, when the sun rises, you can see when the sun rises, the day starts. When the sun rises, the day starts. When the sun sets, we can see the night. What we can see? We can see the night. Yeah, the children. So here, sun is also one star. Sun is also a star. But this star has the very bright light. This star has the very bright light. So it is called the sun. If you see the other stars don't have that much light. They don't have their own light only. Clear, children? So this sun is also called the star, but this star has the very bright light. Clear, children? So this sun is called the king of all stars. It is the king of all stars. Clear, children? Why it is king? Because this sun star has a very bright light. Clear, children? So here you can see. First only I told the sun has a round in shape. It's a round in shape. Clear, children? Sun is a huge ball of fire. Sun is a huge ball of fire. Or burning ball of fire. It's a burning. Clear, children? It's a burning. It's a huge ball of fire. So we get the heat and light from the sun. What does we get from the sun? We get from the sun heat and light because it's a huge ball of fire. Yeah, the children, our earth is the correct distance from the sun. So we get the correct way sunlight. If you see the first planet in the solar system, that is the Mercury, which is the very hottest and closest planet in the solar system because it's a very near to the sun. But our earth is the third planet in the solar system. You know, it's very far away from the sun. It is the correct distance from the sun. So we get the proper way sunlight. Clear, children? So sun is the most important heavenly body. It is the most important heavenly body and also it is the king of all stars. Clear, children? So first thing is what? Sun is round in shape. It is a huge ball of fire. And the next one is what? It gives us heat and light. What does sun gives us? Sun gives us heat and light. Yeah, the children? heat and light. So later I will show the image of solar system. You can see in the solar system, the sun is the central part and all the 8 planets they are rotating around the sun. They all are rotating around the sun. Earth and other planets go around the sun. Sun is not moving anywhere, sun is there only. But the thing is what? All the planets go around the sun. So here the sun is a very huge ball of fire. It is a huge ball of fire full of burning gases. It's made up of full of burning gases. It's made up of full of burning gases which gives us heat and light. And this heat and light helps all living things to live and grow and to become very strong. Clear, children? So the sunlight which gives us energy, for all the living things. All the living things to become very strong and energetic. With the help of sunlight, with the help of sun rays here, plants prepare their own food. Flowers bloom. Yeah, the children. So, with the help of sunlight only here, we can see the lots of changes. Just imagine, children, if one day sun is not rise only, what will happen? Can we just imagine? If one day sun is not rise only, then we can see that everywhere is darkness. Everywhere darkness. People won't go for work. Plants won't prepare their food. Clear, children? Birds won't go to search of food. Clear? So, numbers of things we can see. We won't get the day only. We won't get the seasons only. We won't get the energy. So, numbers of things will happen if one day sun is not rise only. Clear, children? So, we see the sun is the most important heavenly body which gives us energy, for all the living things. When the sun rises, you can see that new day begins. You know, we will get the energy. Plants prepare their food. Birds go in search of food. Yes or no? Water evaporate. If the water won't evaporate, then won't form the clouds and we won't get the rain only. So these all the things happen sun only. It is because of sun only. We are getting the food, water, oxygen because of the sun. So sun is very, very important to us. Clear, children? So this heat and light, it gives us energy for all the living things. It gives us energy for all the living things. Clear, children? If only the night, the plant will die. Plant will die. If plant will die, then we human beings also die. We living things also die. Because plants have to prepare the food and we should get the oxygen. Yes or no? If there is no plant, then no oxygen and no life on the earth. So the sun is very, very important. Clear, children? So, next, sun gives us day and night also. It gives us day and night. When the sun rises, we will get the day. When the sun rises, we will get the day. And when the sun sets, we will get the night. also. Sun, it gives us seasons. We have the 3 seasons, children. Summer, rainy and winter season. So, sun also gives us season. It also gives us seasons. Yeah, no, children? So, the sun is very important. The heat and light given by the sun change at different parts of the day and different times of the year. Just you can see, children, I will show the image. If the sun rises, what will happen if there is no sun? Then how the things is going on the earth. Here you can see when the sun rises, we get the food. Living things get the food. See here, flowers are blooming. You know. If there is no sun only, then we can see the darkness. Plants will die. Flowers are not blooming. See here. Animals will die. You know, children. And even though we too won't get the oxygen, food. Clear, children? So we say sun is very, very important. Clear, children? So I will write here some points. What does the sun gives us? What does the sun gives us, children? First, it gives us day and night. Clear, children? Next. Again, what it gives us? Tell me. It gives us the season. It gives us the seasons. Next one. Again, watch. It also gives us heat and light. You know? It gives us heat and light. And then it also gives us energy. See, children, here. See, it gives us day and night. If there is a sun, then we will get the day and night, because earth is rotating around the sun. So we get the day and night. It gives us the season also. Summer, winter, rainy season. If there is no sun, if it is not rise only, then what will happen? We won't get the food, because numbers of food is depend upon the rainy season only. When the rain comes, we will get the food. Farmers will cultivate their land. Yeah, children, some types of the crops we can cultivate in the winter season also. Yes, if there is no summer season, then won't dry the crops. Then when we have to cut. So everything is depend upon the seasons only. Some kind of the crops, seeds, fruits, flowers we will get in the particular season only. Vegetables also we will get in the particular season only. So season is very, very important, children. Then it gives us heat and light also. When the sun rises, we can see the day becomes very bright. It becomes sunny. Yeah, the children. So it is the hottest part of the day is noon. Hottest part. After the 12 o'clock you can't go the outside. Why? Because the sun rays is very bright. Yeah, the children, we can't stand also. So we will stay in the home only. We are waiting till the evening. So noon time we cannot stand outside and we cannot go outside because of the bright light of the sun. Next, it is energy. When the sun rises, we all living things get the energy. We will become the strong. Yeah, the children. So these all the things we will get from the sun only. When the sun rises, then this all the things we will get from the sun only. Clear, children? So when the sun is directly overhead, then we have to think that now it is we have to see the sun. What is that? Yes, now it is a noon time. It comes overhead. Clear, children? So noon time never should go outside. So the coolest place, time we can see in the morning, that is the 5 o'clock when the sun is rising. That time we can see the weather. The time is, the place is very cool. When at the 5 o'clock, coolest part of the day. Coolest part is cool. Children, some people are going for morning walk 5 o'clock. That time the climate is very cool because that time is the cool time it is, because now it is time to rise of the sun. Clear, children? So early in the morning 5 o'clock we can see the coolest part we can see. Clear, children? Then that is the early in the morning. Clear? Then over late night we can see the darkness, because why? The sun is already set. Clear, children? So here, children, I will show you some images of the solar system, then sun, again stars and moon, just to see the images. So children, the hottest part of the day is noon, when the sun is directly overhead. The coolest part of the day is early morning or late night after the sunset. Children, here you can see the sun, the huge ball of fire. See how it's burning. So we get the heat and light. Here, children. So this is our earth. See how we get the heat and light from the sun. Here you can see in the solar system, the third planet is our earth where we are living. See all the planets, it's rotate around the sun. This is the sun. See the first planet, it is a Mercury, which is the hottest and closest planet near to the sun. So this planet get the more hot, and see our earth, it is the correct distance from the sun, so we get in the proper way sunlight. So this is the solar system. See how the planets are rotating around the sun. Sun is there only, and the remaining planets are rotating in a fixed orbit. This is the stars. See how it looks from far like a dots only. This is our galaxy. See the galaxy, children. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. See the bright light of sun. Stars. So children, just now I have shown the images of the sun, solar system, how all the planets are rotating around the sun, how the sun gives us heat and light. So children, this is our today's class. So today we have finished what does the sun gives us, and also we saw the solar system. Children. So based on that, I will do some work for you, children. You have to do in the EVS notebook. Clear, children? So let me revise one more time. When the sun rises, we will get the day. When the sun sets, we will get the night. Sun gives us day and night. It gives us the season, and also it gives us heat and light. When the sun rises, all the living things get the energy. they get the energy. The hottest part of the day is noon, when the sun is directly overhead. The coolest part of the day is early morning or late night after the sun has set. Clear, children? So sky is very far from us. So these all the heavenly body, they look very small, but actually they are a very huge heavenly bodies. Clear, children? So based on that, I will give some work for you children. Just you have to write in your EVS notebook.
Homework, children. First one.
What does the sun
Give us.
What does the sun give us? Next one. Draw the sun and color it. So this is the two questions for you children. You have to do in the EVS notebook. So yesterday also I have given the some work, the same unit. What is your work? We have to continue there only. Write the day and date when this video will go. Write the day and date and then start the homework. What does the sun give us? If you see the video, then you will get these answers. So children, you have to see the video from starting till ending. Then only you will get this answer. As sun gives us numbers of things I have written on the board. So everything should come in your answer. Next you have to draw the sun and color it. You should draw the sun. Take the bangles. Don't draw the very small. Draw the big circle. Color it. Use the color yellow, orange and then color it. Do it very neatly. After finish your work, you have to send me in the app children. The same thing I will continue in the next class. Thank you children.